How are you? We're glad you're back at Wealthy Coin. Apple and Google want to take away your Shiba Inu coins. Weird news. Shiba Inu has gotten a lot of attention and a lot of fans, which led to the creation of the Shib Army group. This rise in popularity can be explained by a number of things. It is now the second most famous meme coin. Shiba Inu has made many agreements, collaborations, and listings over the past week as time has gone on. The price of bone, which is used for both running Shiba Inu and getting gas in Shibarium, has gone up by a noticeable 21%. In this video, we'll talk about how Apple and Google want to take away your Shiba Inu coins. Weird news. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. Since May 21, when it hit a low of $699, the price of bones has been steadily going up. The value of the Shiba Inu governance token went up a lot on May 22. This was because more people bought them, which caused the price to go up a lot. After that, bone did well for 5 out of 6 days, with a big price increase on May 27 being the most notable. This good trend kept going until May 28. On that day, bone saw a big 13% rise before giving up its gains for the day. CoinGecko says that as of press time, the price of bone was 866,006 cents and that there had been no big changes in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu is the world's second largest meme coin by market value. It is moving sideways in the 87 cents area, where the 21-day moving average has been pulling the price action for the last 3 days. Shiba Inu bulls are hoping that the cryptocurrency can close above the 21 DMA and a recent downtrend. This would set up a possible retest of recent highs in the $0.92 area, or even a move back toward support in the 97 cents area. But if Shib can't get back above its 21 DMA price in a convincing way, forecasts will probably stay negative. In fact, the technical picture for the Shib price over the long term still looks bad. Early in May, the price broke below the rise from March to April. This and the recent death cross, where the 50 DMA crossed back, continue to make people want to sell. Under the 200, DMA experts keep saying that she will retest its lows in late 2023, which were below the 80 cents level. Now might be a good time to buy Shib if the cryptocurrency can break above short-term resistance levels and recover back towards 10 cents. But it's a risky bet because many people think the drop in Shibs will continue for a long time. A leading social intelligence tool called Lunar Crush just put out a list of the top 10 assets with the most social engagement. According to figures from Lunar Crush, Shiba Inu has made it to the 6th spot on the list. In the last 30 days, 7.21 billion social interactions have been made with Shiba Inu. Compared to the previous month, this is a 25.2% rise in social interactions. Shib has also been talked about on social media more than 80,621,000 times during this time. There are many reasons for the rise in social interaction, but the most important ones are the excitement about token burns and the recent successes of PuppyNet, the Shibarium beta network PuppyNet. In the last month, there has been a big increase in the number of people using the Shibarium beta network. The new information from PuppyScan, which is PuppyNet's official block explorer, shows that the number of wallets hosted by the Shibarium beta network has grown a lot. As of April 22, there were only 14.6 million wallets, but now there are 16.4 million. This is a big jump from the previous number, which was 14.6 million. This rise shows that the number of wallets on the test network has grown by an amazing 14.11% in just 1 month. In addition to the rise in the number of wallets, PuppyNet has also seen big improvements in many other ways. The total number of trades on the network is 24 million, and at the time of this report, 431,496 transactions take place every day. Also, the total number of blocks that the network can process has grown to 1.2 million. Even though the network is busy, the average time to block stays at 5 seconds. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency based on a joke that has a huge number of fans and relies on social media hype to keep the price high. Since its start in February 2021, the token has grown a lot, and its price has gone up even more. More than 1,000 times. There's no question that the whales also like the meme coin. According to the statistics for the top 100 whales, Shiba Inu is now the most traded cryptocurrency in the top 100. It is also the most valuable symbol by dollar value. Surprisingly, this number only represents about 10% of the altcoins that whales own, which is what most big buyers do now. There should be more stable coins. The top 1,000 holders have about $1.6 billion in US dollars and $808 million in US dollars. Shiba Inu has become very famous because of how well it works with the community. It is often called the Dogecoin killer. It wants to make an environment with decentralized exchanges, artist incubators, and more. Shiba Inu is popular because it is cheap, so buyers can buy a lot of tokens for a reasonable price. Shiba Inu, the second biggest joke coin, went up 4.6% in the last 24 hours. After the recent bank failures in the US, the bullish trend shows that things are getting better. Shiba Inu is selling at 8,689 cents. At the time of writing, CoinMarketCap data shows that the market value of the asset is about $5.12 billion, with a fully split market value of $5.49 billion. Shib has never even been worth 10 cents, let alone $1. The chances of it happening are pretty low, but anyone who buys in now and sells at the right time will be rich for generations. Shiba Inu price hasn't made any big gains in almost a month, so it might stay the same for a while. Even though new investors are bullish on the network, the fact that current Shib holders aren't bullish could slow the network's comeback. The Shiba Inu price, which is currently selling at $0.869, hasn't changed much in the last 3 weeks. The meme coin is still worth the same as it was on May 11th, fluctuating between 908 cents and 845 cents. The currency has tried to break through the upper range, which acts as resistance, less often than it has tried to break through the lower range, which acts as support. Some of this lack of recovery can be explained by the state of the market as a whole and the lack of optimism in the crypto area, but not all of it. This is because the number of people using the network has grown a lot in the last few days. The network growth measure, which shows how fast new addresses are being made, is at a month-and-a-half high right now. This shows that the joke coin is becoming more popular. The network has also seen a rise in live deposits, which shows that this optimism isn't just a bunch of empty addresses. After going down for almost 2 months, the number of live deposits went back up. This could also mean that investors are selling, but since the exchange balance hasn't changed much, it points in a more bullish way. So, even though some new investors are hopeful, Shiba Inu is still not making any progress. One reason for this is that not many people at its 1.22 million homes took part. In May, the average number of active Shiba Inu addresses was under 3,000.